Hello bachcho, welcome back to Excel Learning. My name is Abhishek Shah and this is your English classroom, and today I have brought the third and the last part of the chapter The Blue Bead, written by Nora Burke. I hope you all have watched the last two videos, that is part 1 and part 2. If you have not, then don't worry, मैं description box पे link दे दूंगा, आप सब लोग वो देखो. I hope आप सबको समझ में आएगा. फिर भी अगर कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होगा तो कमेंट बॉक्स पे आप मुझे लिख सकते हो. सो टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 99. विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स गेट इनटू द चैप्टर बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट द वीडियो टू बी अ लेंथी वन. ओके, इन दोस cavelets above the high water mark of the highest flood she had stored, she is referring to Sibia, she had stored some little balls molded with clay while they hardened. If there were anything that could be used for coloring, they would look fine painted with marigolds and elephants. Child, the sharp word, the glance of her mother's angry sweating face, underline her mother's angry sweating face, pulled Sibia back to work and they toiled on. So once again they started working. Actually Sibia ने क्या किया था, कुछ लिटिल बॉल्स जो है उसे रखा था. ठीक है, वो जब तक वो सूखने के बाद अगर कुछ उसके पास कुछ होगा तो उससे अगर कलर करेगी, वो कुछ पेंटिंग बनाएगी उसके ऊपर, तो वो देखने में अच्छा लगेगा. ठीक है, but at last it was time to go back to see to the animals and the evening meal. The loaded women set out to cross the river again. So they have, almost they have done their duty, and right now all the women are loaded. Sibia hung back. She would just dawdle a bit and run and see if the little clay cups were still there in the cave, waiting to be painted and used. So Sibia does not want to be with her mother. She is very much fascinated with all the little balls that she has kept over there. Okay, although the women were now tired and loaded, they still talked. Those in front yelled to those behind. They crossed the river safely and disappeared up the track into the trees on the other side. Even their voices died away. So सब कोई जो है वहाँ पे सब कोई घर रिटर्न जा रही थी. ठीक है, so safely they just crossed the river and they disappeared in the track that went into the forest. Silence fell. Sibia came down along to the stepping stone. So we can say that Sibia is a bit brave kind of girl. Okay, the light of the evening was striking up the George means Ghat, pink into the ultraviolet shadows. Now that the sun was off it, the water poured almost invisible among the stones with no reflection to show where it began. Sibia stepped onto the first stone. She was heavily weighted. So बहुत सारा जो है वो सब कैरी कर रही थी Sibia. So she was heavily weighted. Her muscles stretched and aching. The hayfork squeaked in the packed dry grass and dug into her collarbone, so close under the skin, in spite of the sari bunched up to make a pad. So actually Sibia, वो hayfork जो था वो Sibia की यहाँ पे बहुत चुभ रहा था. ठीक है, लग रहा था. So Sibia just made a pad with her sari, and then also the hayfork जो है यहाँ पे उसका मतलब लग रहा था. When she was halfway over, she put her load down on a big boulder to rest and leaned, breathing on the fork. So finally, she has already crossed halfway. Okay, at that time, she just put her load down and she sat on a boulder to take rest, and she was breathing because she was heavily weighted. At the same moment, a Gajar woman came down with 2 gharas to the water on the other side in order to get the good clear water, which would quickly fill both gharas to the top without sand, and walked onto the stepping stones. So Sibia जहाँ पे बैठी थी, ऑपोजिट साइड में एक गुजर वुमन आई, वो घड़ा लेके. ठीक है, वो भरने के लिए, because she would get clear and fresh water on the either side of the river. She was within a yard of the crocodile when he lunged at her. Up out the darkling water heaved a great reptile, water slushing off him, his livid jaws yawning. keywords or key phrase. Okay, his livid jaws yawning and all his teeth flashing. ये भी mark कर लो. As he slashed her leg. So at that time only the reptile, that means the crocodile, appeared and she attacked the woman. Okay, as if his livid jaws were whining and his teeth flashing. The woman screamed, dropped both brush pots with a clatter on the boulder, from whence they bounced to the water, and Sibia saw them bob away in the current. The two good vessels gone. So at that time, the Gadas just fell down on the boulder from the woman's hand and they were carried away by the current of water. Okay, they were brass pots. The Gujar woman recoiled from the crocodile, but his jaws closed on her leg. So पैड्स में जो है वो crocodile पकड़ लिया था leg at the same moment as she slipped and fell on a bone breaking stone. Bone breaking stone, another keyword, and clutched one of the timber logs to save herself. ये भी keyword. So वो तभी गिर गई. ठीक है, एक बड़ा पत्थर था वहां पे, उसके ऊपर गिर गई और वहां पे एक टिम्बर भी था. उस टिम्बर को वो औरत ने पकड़ ली खुद को सेव करने के लिए. द लॉग जैम्ड बिटवीन टू बोल्डर्स विद द वुमन क्लिंगिंग इट टू इट एंड स्क्रीमिंग while the crocodile pulled on her leg, thrashing his might tail. Bang bang. This bang bang is not that Hrithik Roshan bang bang. Okay, to and fro in great smacking flails as he tried to drag her free and carry her off down into the deeps of the pool. Blood spread everywhere. So see क्या हुआ, तो वो औरत जो थी एक मतलब एक लॉक था, उसे वो पकड़ लिया. ठीक है, तो अब दोनों साइड दो बोल्डर था, तो उसके उस साइड जो वो जो लॉक था वो जैम हो गया वहां पे, और उस औरत जो थी वो औरत ऐसे करके पकड़ी हुई थी वो वाला, और पीछे से जो था वो क्रोकोडाइल उसे खींच रहा था कंटिन्यूअसली. सो इट वाज कंप्लीटली आई मीन हर लेग्स वर ब्लीडिंग, सो द ब्लड स्प्रेड एवरीवेयर. Sibia sprang from boulder to boulder. She came leaping like a rock goat. Sometimes it had seemed difficult to cross these stones, especially the big gap in the middle where the river coursed through like a bulge of glass. But now she came on wings, choosing her footing in midair without even thinking about it. And in one moment, she was beside the shrieking woman. Shrieking woman, another keyword. So as soon as Sibia saw this, okay, she just sprang and she started jumping from one boulder to another very swiftly. पहले मतलब दूसरे टाइम में ऐसा भी होता था कि कभी कभार it was very difficult to cross, it was very difficult to jump from one boulder to another, but this time she started jumping from one boulder to another, and within a few moments Sibia just reached the shrieking woman who has been caught by the crocodile in the boiling bloody water keywords. Okay, the face of the crocodile fastened round her leg was tugging through and fro and smiling. So see here the senses has been given as if the crocodile was smiling. The crocodile was very happy that, see, I have caught the woman, and Sibia, you are a little kid and you have come to save the woman from my clutch. It's impossible. His eyes rolled onto Sibia. One slap of the tail could kill her. So see the way of writing, the detailed and vivid description. यहाँ पे बोल रहा है कि अब क्रोकोडाइल का जो अपीयरेंस है वो कुछ ऐसे था कि मान लो कि वो सीबिया उधर से आ रही है. ठीक है, तो क्रोकोडाइल जो था सीबिया कैसे देख रहा है, देख के बोल रहा है कि ये बच्ची, तुम एक छोटी सी बच्ची आ रहे हो मुझसे लड़ने. I will give you one single slap with my tail and you will be finished, you will be done. He struck up short the water 20 feet and fell like a silver chain. So क्रोकोडाइल जो था वो अपना टेल को जो है एकदम मतलब स्प्लैश कर रहा था वाटर में, एंड द ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वाटर वेर seemed to be a silver chain. Okay, again the rock jumped under the blow, but in the daily heroism of the jungle, as common as a thorn tree, Sibia did not hesitate. So there was thorn tree, but Sibia did not hesitate at all. She just proceeded to help the woman. She aimed at the reptile's eyes. So see, underline, she aimed at the reptile's eyes. That means Sibia has presence of mind. See, in the very earlier in this particular story, in the very first page, we already got that two parts of the body of crocodiles are very soft, eyes and the beneath portion of their bodies, right? So here Sibia aimed at the crocodile's eyes directly. So अब देखो Sibia जो है वो गले पे भी मार सकती थी, लेकिन उनका प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड था, मतलब बुद्धि था Sibia का, कि वो एकदम तुरंत और पहले ही she hit just at his eyes. With all the force of her little body, she drove the fork at the eyes, and one prong went right in, while its spears crashed past on the horny cheek. So Sibia just hit at the eyes of the crocodile, and it scratched past on his horny eyes. उसका जो cheek था वो भी कट हो गया. The crocodile reared up in convulsion till half his lizard body was out of the river, the tail and nose nearly meeting over this stony bank. Then he crashed back, exploding the water, and in an uproar of bloody foam he disappeared. So the crocodile had a convulsion, okay, और उस औरत को छोड़ के क्रोकोडाइल जो है वो पानी के अंदर डिसअपियर हो गया. He would die, not yet but presently, though his death would not be known for days, but not till his stomach blown with gas floated him. Then perhaps he would be found upside down among the logs at the timber boom, with pearls in his eyes. So Sibia Sibia hit the crocodile in such a confident manner that she is very much sure, she is pretty sure that the crocodile would die. Not right now, अभी जो है वो crocodile का नहीं मरेगा, लेकिन after few days the crocodile would be found when his stomach would be filled with gas, and it would be found with his upside down, and pus would be there in his eyes. So after few days, within few days, the crocodile must die out of septic. Sibia got her arms round the fainting woman and somehow dragged her from the water. She stopped her wounds with sand and bound them with rag, and helped her home to the Gajar encampment, where the man made a litter to carry her to someone for treatment. So finally Sibia just saved the woman, and Sibia carried the woman to their encampment, and one of them took the woman to someone for treatment. Then Sibia went back for her grass and sickle and fork. So see how casual Sibia is. Sibia अभी जो है उनका सामना हुआ एक क्रोकोडाइल से, but it does not matter to her at all. She just helped the woman to reach her camp, and then once again she came back to that particular place where she had left her grass and sickle, just to take them back. So very casual, like कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, normal सी बात है उसके लिए. The fork was lying in the river, not carried away. Luckily, definitely. See, Sibia was making a necklace for herself, right? At that time, but she stopped because she had to make a hole in the middle of that particular bit. But as their family needle had snapped, so she could not do. Family needle टूट गया है, तभी वो लोग नहीं खरीद पा रही है. अगर सिकल जो है वो अगर वाटर में कैरिड अवे हो जाता तो सोचो क्या होता. ओके. As she bent to pick it up out of the water, she saw the blue bead. So when she was picking up the sickle from the water, at that time she found the blue bead. Okay, so see, the blue bead is a kind of reward for Sibia for saving the woman, right? Not blue now with the sun nearly gone, but a non-color white blue, and its shape wobbling in the movement of the stream. She reached her arm down into a yard of the cold silk water to get it, missing it first of all because of refraction. So पहले जो है Sibia मिस कर रही थी, लेकिन वो उसने जब देखा उसे, तो Sibia उसे वो जो ब्लू बिट था उसे ले लिया. Then there it lay in her wet palm, perfect, even pierced, ready for use. So see, ये जो ब्लूबेरी से मिला, इसके मिडिल में होल भी था, so she could easily make a necklace by using that particular bluebeard, right? With the sunset shuffled about inside it like gold dust, all her heart went up in flames of joy. Key phrase, went up in flames of joy. So Sibia became very happy. After a bit, she twisted it into the top of her skirt against her tummy so she would know if it burst through the poor cloth and fell. So Sibia उसे मतलब Sibia kept the bluebeard in such a kind of way, if it would, I mean, अगर वो जो है bluebeard जो है अगर वो गिर भी जाता है तो Sibia could feel it. Okay, then she picked up her fork and sickle and the heavy grass and set off home. Hey, watch a day. So Sibia is very happy that she has got a reward. She has got a bluebeard. Her bare feet smudged out the wriggle mark of snake in the dust. There was the thin singing of malaria mosquitoes among the trees now. So that means evening हो चुका है, ठीक है. And this track was much used at night by a Moro's old Makna elephant. Makna elephant, another keyword, okay, the taskless one. So finally Nora Burke has given description of something, that is Makna elephant. Okay, और भी कुछ I mean जानवर का नाम हम लोग को मिला है, लेकिन उनका कोई description नहीं है. So this is the taskless one elephant, Makna elephant. But Sibia was not thinking of any of them. The stars came out, she noticed. So she is very happy that she has got a bluebeard. On the way back, she met her mother, out of breath, come to look for her and scolding. So Sibia का जो मम्मी है वो पहले जा चुकी थी और जाके देख रही थी कि उनकी बेटी नहीं है, तो वो फिर से वही रास्ते पे रिटर्न आ रही थी just to search for her I mean daughter Sibia. So Sibia met her mother on the way only. Okay, I did not see till I was home that you were not there. I thought something must have happened to you. Definitely her mother must be very worried. And Sibia, bursting with her story, cried, something did. Yes, some mishap happened. I found a bluebeard for my necklace. Look. So see, Sibia just showed the bluebeard to her mother and exclaimed in joy, see, finally I have got a bluebeard to complete my necklace or to make my necklace. So this is actually dramatic irony. See, Sibia जो है वो एक crocodile को मारने के बाद वो खुद को boast up नहीं कर रही है. She is not boasting up herself. Rather, she is very happy with a small reward. She is happy with a small reward, and that is, in fact, that is not a very precious kind of gem. Rather, this is normal a stone, bluebeard, and she is happy because she can make her necklace right now by using that particular bluebeard. So this is dramatic irony. अगर हम लोगों के लाइफ में होता है कि अगर कुछ कर दिए, चलिए यार मैंने ये किया वो किया ये किया वो किया, एकदम ढिंडोरा पीटते रहते हैं हम लोग. बट सिबिया को देखो, हाउ कैजुअल शी इज. वो उस वुमेन को जो है, औरत जो है, उसको अपनी कैंप में पहुंचा के फिर से आई अपना सिकल और ग्रास लेने. सो शी इज वेरी इनोसेंट एंड हर, आई मीन, शी इज़ वेरी इनोसेंट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. और उनमें ना कुछ मतलब अहंकार ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. शी डज नॉट बोस्ट अप हरसेल्फ दैट सी आई हैव किल्ड अ क्रोकोडाइल एंड ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, नथिंग. शी इज हैप्पी ओनली because she has got the bluebeard. So this is the so here we have come to the end of this particular story. Now themes of this particular story, this is very important. Like the first theme is poverty, right? Poverty has been described throughout the story, through Sibia's life, her mother's life, and everyone's life. One more thing, Sibia has only one rag and she has cut the rag into two just to make one piece of skirt and one piece of sari. And definitely whatever she has to eat, she has divided that particular chapati with rancid butter just to give herself a sense of having plenty of food. So this is the first theme of this particular story. Now one more thing is that Sibia, that desire, desire for having a good life. Like see, Sibia likes to see the चूड़ियों की दुकान. Sibia likes the smell of sweet that in the bazaar. So everything, the marketplace that have been described in this particular story, we have seen the marketplace through the eyes of Sibia. और Sibia के आँख से हम लोग वो देख रहे हैं. इसका मतलब Sibia जो है वो चाहती है वो सब करना, वो सब लेना, बट शी इज सो पुअर दैट शी डज नॉट अफोर्ड एनी वन ऑफ देम. सो पॉवर्टी भी है, अ डिजायर फॉर लॉन्गिंग लाइफ भी है, विल पावर भी है. CBI is a 12-year-old girl, but then also she has the will to save the woman, and she is quite confident that she killed the crocodile. So will power भी इसका एक थीम है. I hope you all have got the point, but then also go through the videos, read out the book, the chapter. Any problem is there, write to me. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe with the bell icon so that you can get regular updates, and share and comment, and please like the video if you like it. I believe you all like it, because, and one more thing, we are also bringing some short questions for your November examination, that is semester 1 MCQ type. Thank you for watching.